Hi guys, Instagram has launched a new feature which is called Instagram Reels Remix. What is Reel Remix? Reel Remix actually work the same way like TikTok. You can now participate in somebody else's video, like you can do it. So it's actually you can do a video side by side or participate in a certain video of somebody else. So this is called Instagram Reel Remix. So without wasting any time, let's get started and to know that how it works. So if you go to the Reels page, and here you will find many Reels like that, and to know that if you can remix, because on the older video the remix option is not available. So what you need to do is to tap on the three dotted menu at the bottom, as you can see, but here is not the remix option is not available on every video, so you need to swipe. So eventually you will find the video. If you swipe some videos, as you can see on this video, the remix, this reel is at the bottom, you will see the option. So I will tap on this option. When I tap on that option, as you can see right now that my camera is open and I can remix this reel with the person. I can actually participate in this video. So this is exactly the same thing on like when you do it on TikTok. So here are the similar option. As you can see, here is the music file. If you click on that one and you want to change this one from the original music, you can change it on your video. Just tap on change, and here is the list, and you can even search on. If you cannot find the file that you want, you can actually search here and you can find the music file and then add it to the video. So this is how you can add music. You can add effect as well, the different kinds of effect. Similar, you can use the timer here as well. So the video is of 15-second length, so you can also record a 15-second length video. So now I will show you that how you can record. Just it's the same way when you're filming your individual reels. So now I will tap on the video option, just hold it, and as you can see it's recording right now. So I just recorded the first part, and then I will tap again and you can record the other part as well. So if you want to film yourself, if you want to take a video of yourself, you can use the timer as well. Once you tap on the timer, you can set the timer as well. So we have another video that how you can use Instagram Reels. So you will find the link in the description where you will see that I explained all the features in that video. So here I will only discuss the remix version. So here you can set a timer on the remix feature as well. So you just set the timer, and then the recording will be started after the countdown. So this is how it works. At the bottom, as you can see, you can flip the camera as well, switch it from front camera to the back camera, and that is also you can use in this feature. So once you're done with the recording, then you need to tap on the arrow at the bottom, and once you tap on the arrow at the bottom, is here, as you can see all the features you still can see here. You can add a sticker to the video. You can search even a sticker here as well, and then the other option is that here is you can see the mix audio. So here is the one which is the original video, so you can increase the volume of that audio file, and here you can increase the volume of your file as well. So on the left side is your audio, and on the right side is the original video of the creator. So this is how you can do. Here is the option of the mic. If you tap on the mic option, so you can actually record your voice on the video as well. So this is also an option that you can use it. So once you're done, then just tap on done, like if you recorded, and then tap on done, and the audio file will be added to the video. So you can use text as well. So I will say it again that I already explained all those features in the previous video, so you can watch that video. You can find the link in the description as well. So once you're done with everything, just tap on the arrow and it will bring you here. So here, as you can see, also share to feed, it's enabled, and here you can write down a caption and you can select any cover of the video as well. So this is how you can do, and just tap on share and the video will be shared. So guys, one more quick thing that I want to tell you, that if you have old videos, you have old reels, there will not be that option available on those videos that other people can remix those videos to have a duet with you. So you go to to your profile picture. So you tap on your profile and then go to the Reels video that you have. So here, as you can see, I have one Reel video here. So I will just tap on the three dotted menu, and here, as you can see, enable remixing option. So if you want to enable the remixing option, the feature on your videos, you can do it from here. I will just tap on enable, and now anybody can make a video with me, like make a duet. So guys, I will tap again on the three dotted menu, and here you will see that now that say that disable remixing. So if you don't want anybody to participate in your video, you can just disable this one. So guys, this is all it takes to use the new feature of Instagram Reel Remix. I hope you liked the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.